Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to do a comparison between these Mirage Floorstanding speakers and the large Summer Rain mid-range horn. This uses the BG Neo8 Planar Transducer. And so I'm just going to play some music first through the Floorstanding speaker here, and then we'll play music through the horn so you can hear the difference.
Life is long, my love has gone away from me. Gone away from me. Gone away from me. Life is long, my love has gone away from me.
Okay, and then switching over to the horn.
Life is long, my love has gone away from me. Gone away from me. Gone away from me. Life is long, my love has gone away from me. Lately I can't seem to find myself Lately.
Okay, so I'm going to quickly switch back to the Mirage so you can hear it again.
I just lie awake and hear and dream of the time when she was mine. Felt like I had it all. But life is long, my love has gone away from me. Gone.
Okay, and then switching back to the horn.